If people aren't aware, data is being collected constantly about your every movement. Incredibly detailed data about every facet of life. And we're beginning to understand much more about the realities of how biology works, the realities of how waterways are intersected with our energy supply, that are intersected with our ability to grow sufficient food to be able to thrive, to understand how our gut microbiome might be affected by our ability to grow that food. So all of these things are data. So that makes data a particularly potent metaphor, if you will, for reality, and so we need to learn how to manage that metaphor carefully.
At the core of UNC is the service to the state, and the UNC School of Data Science and Society very much sees that service to the state as part of our mission. All of the research that we're doing is focused on problem areas. How can we take what we've learned and apply that to solve social problems?
The idea is that we are going to create both curricular and research activities that are focused around how data science can and does impact society.
So it's not just about furthering knowledge in a specific field. We're not just a silo as a school. The success of the school really depends on having very strong collaborations with many different units across campus for UNC as a whole to be a data science powerhouse. And of course, the main focus of the school is students. As you look around us, there's data everywhere. So how we collect the data, how we analyze the data, are we thinking about privacy and security as we're collecting data? All of those things matter. So we need to make sure that students are data literate. All our students are data literate.
The School of Data Science and Society is going to have a tremendous impact on North Carolina because I think we're going to produce a workforce that is going to attract employers. I'm increasingly convinced that any disciplinary area is going to be impacted by data increasingly as time goes by. We haven't been confronted with the volume of data that is now occurring in many industries. And so as a consequence, I think any student in any degree is going to make themselves much more future-proofed by having the ability to use data in a very facile way.